name's Nick. Been drifting since February last year, and this is my Toyota Altezza.
Oh yeah, so what have you done to this?
It's on cut springs. I've put lock spaces in it so that there can be a bit more travel in the turning, and then I've put ITB setup in it, which I've made myself, and then road tuned it with a Link G4 Plus.
Mad. So do you know how much power this thing's making?
No, I don't. I dynoed it before I put the ITBs on. It was 135 kilowatts at the wheels. My arseometer says it's more, but I want to get it dynoed again, so yeah.
So have you been to Evergreen before?
Yeah, shit yeah. Yeah, probably 6th or 7th time.
Oh wow, you're a veteran.
Yeah, well the back of the car will tell you otherwise, yeah.
Alright, let's check that out, eh? Oh yeah, you've been here before.
Yeah, yeah. So I've pushed the rear out about 4 times now. I had to have probably about 3 of these taillights at home.
So it's always good to have spares, eh?
Yeah, definitely. Boots ratchet tie down in place, and then the zip tie stop it from rocking from side to side. So.
Oh yeah, so if you have a decent hit, that thing's going to pop off?
Yeah, and I'll just go fish it off the track. So.
Alright, rad man.
Cool.
So what's your name?
Ben.
Ben, so where are you from, Ben?
It's from Auckland.
Auckland, alright. How long have you been drifting for?
I've had this thing for about a year, so about that long. It's my first in the sand, first rear drive, so just been giving it a go. And
Oh yeah, so have you been to this track before?
yeah, this is the 4th time I've been here.
Oh cool. How'd you get last time?
So. Good. Went into the bank a little bit, but nothing too major, so yeah.
Oh yeah?
So I fixed all that.
So give me a rundown on your car.
Just 33 kit, it's got a 25 plus T, just not very fast, but it's got enough power to do some skids. It's got locked up in it. Yeah.
Do you want to pop the bonnet for us? Nice, so do you know how much power you're making?
No idea. It's, need to get it changed. It's on the list of things to do. But yeah, for now it does what it's.
So just say it's a factory turbo?
It was the N8, but it's just had a turbo bolted onto it.
And you haven't tuned it?
It's running on a 25 det ECU. So it's got all the det stuff on it, but just the only thing that's not is the block basically. So
So what's your name, where you're from, and how long you been drifting?
So my name's Nathan. I've been drifting for about maybe just over 2 years probably now, and I'm from Auckland, just local. Yeah, so this is a good local little track, I guess.
Cool, so give us a quick rundown on your car.
Well, it's not actually that flash. It's still a street car as well, so it's all broken. So it's just a SR20 deck. It's what they call the K's motor, I believe, from the facelift. It is using a T28 turbo, a Jazz manifold part designed by my friend Stan, and it's running a Niztune chip. It's probably, I'd say, 250 to 280 horsepower, and that's just a rough guess because I haven't added my dyno. Other than that, it's got a full 3-inch stainless exhaust system. It has an HKS actuator and it's running 1 bar of boost. And yeah, apart from that, it's pretty standard. Slightly bigger injectors, slightly bigger fuel pump. Really, at the end of the day, it's all down to the steering setup and the wheels and the tyres. And that's what kind of counts.
Yeah, so have you built most of this yourself, or?
I put it all together myself. Yeah, I mean, like, things have been fabricated by other people. The knuckles were made by Gogo, who you'll be familiar with. And yeah, as I said, the manifold was made by my friend Stan and his fabricator. And then all the exhausts and all the cars fabrication and put together was all me.
Cool, it's awesome, man.
Well, I'm lucky enough to have a shop that I can do it in. So
Oh yeah?
thanks to my boss, AJ. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Which shop's that?
It's Pitstop Albany. Yeah, so this was all put together in there, and it seems to go okay.
Yeah.
Really happy.
So what's your name?
Blake.
Blake, whereabouts are you from?
Kitty.
Kitty. So how long have you been drifting for?
Haven't been drifting before.
So your first time, eh?
Yep.
Awesome. Do you want to tell me a bit about your car?
I don't really know much about it. Pretty much just made it look okay. Plus T and whatnot when I got it.
So it's SR20 plus T?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do you want to show us the motor? So which turbo are you running?
I think it's a T28.
Oh yeah, mid-mount intercooler. Do you know how much power it's making?
I was told 220 kilowatt.
220. Man, you're going to be destroying tyres. How many tyres you bring today?
Oh, a bit too many. I'm actually having 5 piece.
Oh yeah, you'll be surprised with this track.
Oh yeah.
Sandwich? In the car. Hold on. Give me a sec. Well, he finished.